maybe in 1 year we will meet right here in Dubai and we will go shopping together. Hi there guys, so in this video I decided to make a giveaway and surprise maybe you, exactly my random subscriber. So I'm going to raffle one free place in my personal training about trading, and there I share my trading experience, show the details of the strategies, and the most important thing, I will help you to reach your first income. I want you to understand how to do it on your own, and you will make your own money without my help in the future. So anyone can take part and anyone can win. So to take part in this giveaway, you need to subscribe to this channel, like the last 3 videos, and write the comments to these videos, but the comment must be longer than 5 words. And if you write 5 emojis, well, you're not gonna win as well. I'm sure that you exactly are going to win in this giveaway and take this one free place in my May stream. So I will summarize the results of this giveaway on May 10. I will use a randomizer to choose my winners, and I motivate you to start this thing right now, because maybe in the future you will be very happy that you started this very day, because you're going to achieve the great results and the profit will be yours. So once again, like last 3 videos, subscribe to the channel, write the comment must be longer than 5 words, and wait for the results on May 10. So hi guys, and today we will trade on support and resistance levels, and we will use the strategy based on technical analysis, and in help to this analysis I want to use the stochastic oscillator indicator. So this indicator will show the overbought and oversold zones, and I will be able to determine the border from which there will be the pullback in the opposite direction. So this indicator is already activated and all the settings are left by default, and now I will remind you how this indicator actually works. So it is displayed under the chart. It looks like 2 horizontal lines of 70 and 30 marks and 2 moving averages of green and red color. Well, the signal number 1 is the moment when the moving averages are crossing the horizontal line of 70 mark from top to bottom, and it means that in the very near future the price will be moving down. And also when the moving averages are crossing the horizontal 30 mark from bottom to top, this means that the price will be moving up. Of course, in some situations the signal may be the moment when the moving averages are bouncing from these horizontal lines, and it also happens that the moving averages are moving for a long time in the overbought zone or in the oversold zones, and after a while they are kind of exiting this zone. And as you can understand, this all depends on the specific trading situation in the market. That's why it is very important to pay attention to the levels of support and resistance, and also understand the general potential, the general situation on the market. So you need to combine this technical analysis and the indicator signals very correctly. And of course, in some situations we can work ahead of a signal. Thus we cannot wait for the moving average to cross the horizontal line. In some situations we can just see that the moving averages are about to cross it, or they are in the oversold or on the overbought zones, and thus means that there will be the reversal very soon. So let's find the first entry point. So here we have the support level, and you can see that it has been the downtrend. The price touched the support level, then bounced up, and after a while the price reversed and now it moves down. So let's open a trade down for 2 minutes. The price highs are becoming lower here, and the general potential is going down, as well as we can see that the moving averages are in the overbought zone. It means that it is very likely from this zone there will be the reaction, then the price moves down. So 2 minutes over the result, because there can be the flat zone or the pullback down, but I see all these signals and I suppose that 2 minutes will be enough, and this downtrend will continue, will move down to the level. So guys, it is very interesting. As you can see, after the slight pullback up, the price trended down to the level and we got the profit here. So this was the situation, the approach to the level. The indicator showed a very good entry point and helped us to determine the price movements further. So let's continue with another entry point. Well, here we have the resistance level, and you can see that the price touched this level, then bounced down. And now after a while, the price stopped here, and this is reversing, right? So here, from the oversold zone, the moving averages are crossing each other. So let's open a trade up for 2 minutes. I think the price will be moving up to the level of resistance because this is the potential going up and the price lows are becoming higher here. So from the oversold zone there will be the reaction and there will be the slight pullback up, and I suppose that 2 minutes will be enough for this rotation. Right now you can see that the moving averages are crossing the horizontal 30 line from bottom to top, and it also signals that the price will be moving up. So let's check what can happen here. So guys, it is very good. Now the price has been moving in zigzag style, but it moved up. So we had enough time. We worked out this up move. So let's go on and find the next entry point. So here, this is still a resistance level. The price touched it already, then bounced down. Yes, the price reversed now and is moving up. So the moving averages are crossing the horizontal 30 line from bottom to top, and we will open a trade up for 2 minutes because the price lows are becoming higher here and the general potential of the price is going up, and you can see due to this chart, and that's why I think that the price will move higher to the level of resistance and we will work out this up move. And you can also see that this rotation really is similar to the previous one, and that's why I have chosen this time interval for that. So guys, it is very good. So the price is moving in a zigzag way, yeah, but it moved up and we had enough time. We closed this trade profitable, so the indicator was right. Very good assistance for you and me, so let's go on. So here we have the support level. Price touched it already, then bounced up. Yes, here you can see that the price is reversing right now. The general potential of the price is going down here. The moving averages are crossing the horizontal 70 line from top to bottom. So let's open the trade down for 2 minutes, and it is very likely that the price will move down to the level, but 2 minutes are with the result because there can be the flat zone or the pullback up. So let's check it. So guys, the price slowed down its pace, but then it moved down anyway. So we closed this trade, we got the profit. So really from this overbought zone, the price got the reaction, moved as we analyzed it. So let's go on. So here we have the resistance level, and you can see that from after the pullback, the price is again at the level. Let's open a trade up for 1 minute very immediately because this is the time where the price is gonna move up and break this level through. Yes. And also the moving averages, yeah, let's look at it. They have crossed the horizontal line from bottom to top, so we will get to the impulsive movement of the price into this breakthrough, and you can see that this is a very confident green candlestick appearing, and I think that 1 minute will be enough for that. That's why we acted so fast, because this rotation is very important now. So guys, it is very good. As you can see, this level is broken through as we analyzed that, so the profit is ours, so the indicator was right and we got what we wanted. So guys, the next entry point I decided to open here after a while. So you can see that after the impulsive green candlestick, the price reversed and the red candlestick is showing up. Yeah, let's open a trade down for 1 minute. I think that very soon after the breakthrough, there will be the correction movement. Yes, the retracement, the moving averages are in the overbought zone, and it means that very soon there will be the reaction and the price will be falling down. So I guess that 1 minute will be enough for that, and we will have enough time for that, for this correction movement. So let's check it. So that is very good. As you can see, the price really got to the correction movement and we got the profit here. So This citation really showed that 1 minute was enough for that, and correction movements really work if you know how to find them on the chart. Let's continue. So here we have the up move, the also breakthrough of the resistance level we can find here. So the red candlestick are appearing. So let's open a trade down for 1 minute. I suppose that the price will be moving and the correction movement will be moving down. So the moving averages are reversing right now. So very soon there will be the crossing of horizontal 70 line from top to bottom, and it means that after the breakthrough we could also see that in the previous citations this must be the correction movement, and 1 minute is usually enough for that. Let's check it. So the price slowed down a little, but anyway we got the profit. That's what we wanted. So the price got to this correction movement, the pullback down occurred, and the indicator was right again. So we could analyze it and we got the profit thanks to this analysis. So here we have that after the pullback from this specific point, the price reversed and now moves down. So let's open a trade down for 1 minute here, because lately the price has been moving very impulsively, and I guess that the price will move down to the level of support because the price highs are becoming lower here. The moving average is also at the moment of opening a trade. They have crossed the horizontal 70 line from top to bottom. It also signals that the price will be moving down. Yes, will be falling. So let's check if 1 minute is enough for us. So guys, really it was the impulsive movement down. We closed this trade profitable and we worked out these impulsive movements. All the trades are profitable here, right? So after that there was impulsive pull back up, but I guess the price will move lower after a while. So let's find the next entry point here. So here we have the support level, and you can see the price touched this level of support and bounced up, and now right now the price is reversing. The general potential of the price is going down, so we can see that moving averages are in the overbought zone. So thus we can open a trade down for 2 minutes, and I believe that it is likely the price will be moving down. From this overbought zone there will be the reaction, and I think the price will be moving down, and also this time is well deserved because there can be the flat zone. Yes, why not? So it is amazing. As you can see, the price really reversed and moved down. So we got the profit here as well. So the indicator was right and showed the very good entry point, and we of course could analyze it correctly. So my deposit is almost $12,000, but I guess we can finish with the last entry point, okay? So here we have the resistance level, and you can see the price touched it and bounced down. Yeah, we could see the citations already. The general potential is going up. The price lows are becoming higher here. The moving averages are in the oversold zone. They are starting to reverse very slowly and moving up. So let's open a trade up for 2 minutes. It is likely that very soon the price will move up to the level, and maybe this level will be broken through, because I can see that from this oversold zone there will be the reaction. Yes, and we can analyze it, and let's check what can happen here. So guys, it is very good. As you can see, the price continued moving to the level. We got the profit here. So we worked out the situation. This was the approach to the level. So the indicator was right. It showed the good entry point, and we could see all the signals. I'm sure that this level will be broken through very soon, but my deposit now is $16,000. We need to fix the profit and then leave the market. We could also see that many citations today very similar to each other, and it also means that I always trade on the citations that I know the best. I find them, I show you how to find them yourself, and thanks to them I get the profit. I'm not risky one. Of course I would like to be because it is funny and it gives you adrenaline, but as for money, it's not about that. So create your own plan of citations that you know the best and get the profit thanks to them. It is the secret of success. So take part right now, like this video, like last 3 videos, subscribe to this channel, write the comment that will be longer than 5 words, emojis are not okay, and then on my 10 I will choose maybe you, my random subscriber, and you will understand how to trade and make your profits perfectly well.